boiled plantains. Nah, that doesn't sound right. Plantain. Boiled plantain. Now, here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. Across the internet, you've seen everybody frying plantain, and the love for plantain is real. When I was growing up on the islands in Trinidad and Tobago, Sunday lunch, the biggest meal of the week, Mommy would make boiled plantain for us. We didn't grow up eating fried plantains. We grew up eating boiled plantains. That's what you just saw there. If you wanted to salt the water, you can certainly salt the water. There's no need. Nice ripe plantain in water, blub, 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 bring it up to a boil. 10-15 minutes later, boom, you're done. Remember to give it that little cut there. caribbeanpot.com. This one takes me back, boy. Boiled plantains. No oil involved. No oil. A little bit more healthy. Enjoy all of it, all right? Plantain, boy. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.